Welcome to the third video in the Rhetorical Situation series titled Audience Analysis. Let's start with the intended audience for this graphic poster titled Monsanto Land from the people who brought you PCBs, dioxin, and Agent Orange. What does the audience need to know to get this poster? Why is there a scarecrow in a desolate cornfield? Who is Monsanto? What are PCBs and Agent Orange? For some of you, you get this poster right away. For others, you know nothing about it. To analyze the audience, first think about the audience's expectations for that genre. For instance, a poster should have provocative images and colors with little text. The words should be concise yet powerful. For a political poster, the evidence is in the content of the images. In this poster, a barren cornfield represents our future if Monsanto is given free rein to control the agricultural industry. As for purpose, a political poster is intentionally one-sided and is intended to raise awareness and social activism. To analyze the audience, think about what the audience will already know. In this poster, many people will know what scarecrows are, and barren cornfields signify death. Many also may have heard of Agent Orange from the Vietnam War and dioxin, also known as DDT, a common pesticide. For some of you, you may need to learn about what are PCBs, who is Monsanto, and how Monsanto has developed these chemicals for decades. What types of knowledge or information will the audience challenge or embrace? Writers often consider this when writing to resistant or supportive audiences. An audience of Monsanto stockholders don't want to hear about how Agent Orange is causing cancer. An audience of Indian farmers who have lost their farms because of Monsanto's patent wars would want to learn about what they could do legally to retrieve their livelihood. And last, what does the audience value? Religious doctrine or scientific evidence? Narratives or humor? To analyze the audience, think about what the audience does not know. I bet many Americans do not know that Vietnamese continue to suffer from the effects of Agent Orange from the Vietnam War. How much time should the writer dedicate to filling gaps of knowledge? Does your topic and thesis need a book to fully address it, or are 2 sentences or 5 paragraphs enough? And to fill these gaps of knowledge, what types of information or modes of information would be most effective for this audience? Is the audience most convinced by text, images, graphs, a website, or a Facebook page? Let's review. To analyze the audience, anticipate the audience's expectations, what the audience already knows, and what the audience does not know and needs to learn. An audience analysis is just one piece of the puzzle within the rhetorical situation. When analyzing the audience, also factor in the context, medium, genre, and purpose in the writer's stance. For additional videos in this series, click on titles such as Purpose Analysis, Context Analysis, Stance Analysis, Genre Analysis, and Medium Analysis.